I love lasagna, and the best part about this recipe is that it is noodle-less. Are you ready? Let's go. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Then chop some mushrooms, some zucchini, and yellow onions. Then in a small bowl, you're going to add mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, and crushed red pepper flakes. Mix and set aside. Now, let's start that skillet. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large oven-safe saute pan over medium heat. Add your ground beef, your mushrooms, and onions to that hot pan. Season with Italian herb and red pepper blend. Half a teaspoon of salt and just a pinch of pepper. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until lightly browned, breaking up the beef into pieces. Now, you're going to add your zucchini. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until the zucchini is just tender, and stir occasionally. Add tomato paste, stir to combine. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until that beef and veggies are coated. Add diced tomatoes and half a cup of water. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until mostly thickened and beef is fully cooked. Stir occasionally. Remove from heat and season with a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Now take that cheese mixture and you're going to sprinkle it all over that pan. Oh yes. Now you're going to transfer that pan to the oven and you can bake for like 2 to 3 minutes or until that cheese is completely melted. I love this part. Once the 3 minutes sits up, oh, it is ready. Look at that gooey mixture. It is absolutely beautiful and ready to serve. One of the easiest ways to reduce your stress and unwind after a difficult day or even on a day-to-day basis is to do something that makes your heart smile. Spend time with a friend. Enjoy a hearty meal. Allow yourself to laugh, and when you do, share your laughter with others. I hope you enjoy this one skillet noodle-less beef lasagna recipe. Until next time, friends.